Wow, wow, wow. This is just what I have to say to this our estate member that just got into estate and decided to invest $500,000. That is half a million. Imagine people sitting on the sidelines, not deciding whether to join or not to join. But this member just made up his mind, joined, and then just put in 500K in fractional real estate. What else are you waiting for? If somebody like this can invest this kind of money. So I just want to give a shout out to Henry and most especially to Martin who made this possible, because this member is actually from Martin. Okay, if you guys are following my videos, you will know who Martin is. Martin is one of the top leaders in the UK in estate. So this was the screenshot Martin actually shared with us, because Mr. Henry that you can see from here, he is the one that signed up under Martin, and he shared this screenshot with us on the 13th of February. This is just great for somebody to come into the platform estate, and he has been educated on what he needs to do to get him to where he wants to be, and then he decided to spend $500,000 in the purchase of tokenized real estate. And here is the breakdown of what he has done, because Martin kindly shared this information with us. So the first thing he did was to purchase the minimum real estate, which is the Miami apartment. So in terms of buyer level, the Miami apartment is level 1. Okay, so he decided to do just $10 just to test how the deposit works. And after that, he went ahead and purchased the Phoenix Commerce property for $10,270, as you can see from here. That is $10,270, right? And then after that, he went ahead again to do the LA business properties for $24,590. And this is buyer level 2 property. So you can see the strategic purchase that he is using to make this happen for himself. And afterwards, he went ahead again and deposit more money and then purchase the Dubai development property for $120,000. And then lastly, he did the Dubai business development real estate for $345,000. So if you take your calculator, for example, let's just pick up a calculator here and add up all these figures so that you guys will fully understand the importance of these figures that I am sharing with you guys just now. So the first one is 345,000. So let's add that up just for the sake of argument, right? Let's see how much all of this is going to cost. So $345,000. And then the next one is $120,000. So plus $120,000. Okay. Plus the next one is what? 24,590. 24,590 plus next one is 10,270. So 10,270. Okay. Plus next one is $10. So plus $10. Okay. That's the Miami apartment. And then if we equal that, that is $499,870. Okay, now remember, this is approximately $500,000, right? But this is the only screenshot that was shared with us. I believe that Mr. Henry here, that is purchasing all these real estate properties from estate, has purchased more than what we are seeing right now. But this is just a proof to show to you that estate is real. And this is where you need to be, guys. Okay, so let me go back to my back office here and just quickly show you the properties that he has purchased. Okay, so he did commerce. this one, 10,270. He did this one, right? And then he did the business plot, this one. He did this one, 24,590. And he also did the development one, okay, which is 99,000. This is the one he purchased for 120,000, okay. And then he did the business development, which is the highest one, 255,700, but he did that for $345,000, guys. So imagine the profit Mr. Henry is going to be getting in the next few days. Okay. Now remember, this was done on the 13th. So he did this basically on Friday. On Saturday was 14th. Today is 15th, Sunday. So from Monday, from 16th of February, this guy is going to be receiving passive income on a daily basis from all of these properties that you are looking at. And imagine how much he's going to be receiving on a daily basis. So we are talking about thousands of dollars on a daily basis in profit. And all this is as a result of being in estate and purchasing these properties. Okay, they are all tokenized properties, meaning you can purchase a fraction of it. And the good thing about this platform is you can even start with as little as $10, just like what Mr. Henry did here. Okay, he did started with as little as $10, but he felt, okay, $10 is not going to do me anything, right? He went ahead to put in 10,270,000, 24,590, and then 120,000, and then $345,000. So altogether, from our Google calculator here, is giving us just 499,870, approximately $500,000. That is what I call it, guys. I don't even call it 499. I call it 500K. So guys, this is a good opportunity. I am just saying to you guys that if somebody like Mr. Henry can put in this money, how much more people like us, right? So if you would like a passive income, okay, to purchase a fraction of a tokenized real estate, the best place to be is estate. Okay, now you will be wondering, how do I start this platform based on what I have seen? Okay, what Mr. Henry have deposited here, $500,000 already invested by just one person in a single day. Remember, in a single day, this guy put in this kind of money. So how do you get started? It's easy. The link to do so is below this video description. If you follow that link, you will see a video on how to register. You will also see a video on how to deposit, how to purchase your property, and how to complete your KYC. All of these videos have been done for you. They are not more than 10 minutes video. If you watch the videos, you will be fine to get started in this platform. Okay, however, if you run into any problems at all, okay, if you are stuck, you are more than welcome to reach out to me on my WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram. Okay, I am available to assist you if you wish to do so. Now remember, the ultimate goal here is to receive a passive income between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis. That is the ultimate goal here. Okay, and our money will be working for us, not we working for our money. So it's the other way around. Okay, and we are purchasing fractional real estate. We are not purchasing the whole of the property, we are purchasing a fraction of it. That is the beauty of tokenization, because tokenization gives us access to purchase just a portion of that property and then benefit from a portion of that property, which is what Mr. Henry just did with his 500K. So this is a benchmark for all of us that are watching this video, and it is time for you to get up and say, okay, somebody has put in this kind of money, which means there is, something happening here in estate. If estate is not trusted, I don't think anybody is going to put any money here. But this is a good example of what I have been telling you guys about reliability, sustainability, transparency in estate, right? This platform will allow you to earn this money, and the flexibility of withdrawing is just amazing. You can withdraw every day. That is how flexible, withdrawal process is in estate. And once you put in your withdrawal, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes. You will receive your withdrawal right in your private wallet. So what are you waiting for? The link to join is below this video description if you wish to join the money train, because I call estate money train. Okay, the train is moving. Do you want to join or sit by the sidelines and watch the train move? The choice is yours, right? So I look forward to seeing you in my team, guys. If you wish to join estate with me, as I said, the link to do so is below this video description. Otherwise, thank you very much for coming to watch my video, and I will see you shortly in my next estate video.